How's it going, everybody? Welcome back. And some of you guys have been asking, where can you get a VPN? Now, it's pretty simple. You want to visit a VPN provider's website and you can get yourself a subscription. Go ahead and make the subscription and you'll get a link once you get a subscription in your email with your credentials, and you'll download it from there and you're good to go. So you can go to, let's say, Surfshark or ExpressVPN or NordVPN's website, get the VPN deal and pay for it. Or you can first just download the VPN if you'd like. You can download the client and everything, and then you can make the subscription. But if you're interested in claiming a deal, you'll find links to pricing and discounts in the description down below. That way you'll be able to claim some free months on your plans. And well, that's how you can get yourself a good VPN. Of course, there are too many VPNs out there. So I've tested over a couple of dozen VPNs and narrowed it down to these three as the best overall. They all vary in budgets and features. So pick and choose depending on your own situation, what you're looking for out of your VPN, and your own preferences and specific needs and budget, of course. You've got ExpressVPN with a strong emphasis on privacy and utmost anonymity, as well as security and ease of use and compatibility. You've got over 3,000 servers in 94 countries, and you'll be able to secure up to 5 devices per subscription. And it's a premium service that comes with a premium price. So if you're looking to cut the price in about half, you can go with NordVPN, especially if you go for the long-term plan, the 2-year plan. You've got over 5,400 servers in 60 countries, and you'll be able to secure up to 6 devices per subscription. And you've got a whole bunch of bonus features that can be very useful. Overall, it's an incredibly well-rounded VPN that offers a lot of value for a very reasonable price. Now, if you're looking for the best budget VPN that gets the job done at the cheapest possible cost without really sacrificing much on privacy, performance, or security, you can go with Surfshark with over 3,200 servers in 100 countries, and you'll be able to secure virtually an unlimited number of devices with just a single subscription, which is a great option if you want to share your account with as many friends and family members as you would like. So if you're interested in any of these VPNs, again, you'll find links to pricing and discounts in the description down below, as well as full reviews if you'd like to learn more about the privacy policy, speed streaming, and torrenting capabilities, as well as security and features. And of course, they're all covered by a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can test drive these VPNs for 30 days risk-free. Otherwise, you can simply get yourself the refund if you're not satisfied for whatever reason. Besides that, comment below if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer all of them. Like and subscribe if you'd like to support the channel and stay up to date with everything VPNs and cybersecurity. Thank you guys very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a wonderful day.